Hey apples, I'm back with another DIY deep conditioner, and this time I'll be using neem powder mixed with a couple oils, and you will see as we go along. I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of neem powder. Some of the benefits of neem includes it helps prevent dandruff, it's a deep scalp cleanser, great for hair loss, and it's awesome for deep conditioners. As you can see, I'm using it right here. Now I'll be adding some JBCO oil, and I'll be adding 2 tablespoons of it. Well, actually 2.5 tablespoons, because some got away. The benefits of black castor oil because it thickens the hair, strengthens the hair, it's a great sealant, and it makes our hair shiny. Next, I'll be going in with this curly lock oil, and I'll be just using all that's left. I thought I used all of it from the last video, but I didn't. And it's a mixture of coconut oil, olive oil, castor oil, and peppermint oil. Now I'll be going in with the Shea Moisture 10-in-1 Renewal system. And I love this deep conditioner so darn much. And I'll be using all of it. Now I'll be adding some good old water. Water. And I'll be adding half cup of water, and I'll be mixing it to get the consistency that I love, and you can do so also. If you love it runny, add more water. If you like it thick, then add less water. And also, if your hair is longer, then you know you need to use more of the powder, more of everything. Right here, I was satisfied with the consistency. So right here, after a full week of no TLC, I'm going to add the deep conditioner to the hair. I spritz my hair with some water, and that's why you see me rubbing down my hair like that. Guys, I kid you not, for the entire week, I slept on my hair without covering it with a bonnet. I know. Curse me all you like. When I washed my hair, it was still soft, it was still nice. I didn't got much shedding, so it worked for me. Plus, my husband loves to play in my hair, so a lot of nights lately I wear my bonnet and he rips it off. So yeah, I'm getting used to sleeping without it, but I might get a satin pillowcase ASAP. One thing I can really tell you guys, after all these DIY, I can really feel my hair getting really stronger. Guys, before all my DIYs, my hair was breaking a lot. When I used to run the comb through it on wash days, it would be a lot of hair coming out. But look at that. That is the most that came out. So I'm gonna continue with my DIYs because it's working for me. Less hair loss. This was after I washed my hair out with the JBCO shampoo, guys. And look at my hair. And it wasn't detangled at the time, so it was super shrunken. But there's growth. And guys, that's all for now. And until my next video, guys, one love.